Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I need to work my intro, but welcome back to UGA Kanto season, I don't know what the season 4 I think, week 2, um, team builder. Yeah, so I won week 1, but I'm really excited. Hopefully this one isn't as scuffed. And here today we're here with the team builder. Starting off, my opponent's team is Qianpao, Iron Moth, Tauros, Aqua, Pachirisu, Zorar Kasui, Stonjourner, Gotharita, Gogo, Dragonite, Oricorio Pom Pom, and Fortress. Now, it's very kind of it's a scary team considering Qianpao and then like a bunch of like physical attackers with Iron Moth and Zorar Kasui being some primary special attackers and the Pachirisu for support. Stonjourner can actually be a problem only because of its ability to go with Chien Pao, but that's besides the point. Today we are here trying to become 2-0, and I think I built the best team possible. I feel very confident in this team, but let's get into the team builder. Here we have a Nasty Plot, 3 attacks Golden Go, Terra Fairy. This is one of my primary sweepers here. Um, Dazzling Gleam, Make It Rain, Sight Shock, and Nasty Plot, of course. Enough EVs to live hits from Qianpao and Dragonite. After I Terra, I can live hits from Iron Moth, and I believe before Terra as well. Um, after Nasty Plot, I basically one-shot anything between Make It Rain, Dazzling Gleam, or Psyshock. Psyshock is just there for Iron Moth, but Dazzling Gleam Terra just it does so much damage. I do have to be careful of Wide Guard Stunjourner, but that's it. That's the only thing with that. I thought about running. Oh, I was supposed to make the Psychic, not Psyshock. I'll have to fix on the game because Psychic can one-shot Stonjourner and it still does the damage to Iron Moth. So I need to make sure I change that. Next up is our Great Tusk with Focus Sash. Oh, IRS is running leftovers. With Focus Sash, Headlong Rush, Close Combat, Earthquake, Play Rough. This thing is just here to get damage. Can be a lead with our Talonflame. Terra Fairy, Play Rough can one-shot anything, including Dragonite. Um, and the other damage is just there for damage. Earthquake is just there if I have Talonflame next to it and can just get this. Just need spread damage. Very simple EVs, outspeeds everything under Tailwind, does enough damage, and then the Spadef is still a hit from Iron Moth. Next up we have Rocky Helmet Screamtail. I'm most likely never going to bring this. This is just here to incentivize me being screens and then support. But we have Play Rough, Thunderwave, Reflect, and Baton Pass. I'll only bring this if Iron Moth and Zorakasu are not there. If they're both there, I will never bring this. If only one, I might bring it. Um, its EVs are, it does 50% to Dragonite and Qianpao, like above 50%. It does enough to Tauros Aqua. Rocky Helmet is just there for chip damage. Reflect is there because he has a bunch of physical attackers. Thunderwave to slow things down if I don't Tailwind. And Baton Pass for switching out. I know switching isn't the best, but Baton Pass allows me to keep some momentum if he's faster. Next, we have Sharp Beak Talonflame with Flare Blitz, Brave Bird, Will-O-Wisp, and Tailwind. Pretty simple set. Will-O-Wisp is just there to help me get some burns, lower some damage to those Pokemon. Brave Bird Sharp Beak does an incredible amount to all of his team, with Flare Blitz being there for, honestly, just Fortress and Pachirisu. Um, this mon can actually become a really big menace. Oh, but Tom Pass on Screamtail was for Rita. Shadow Tag is kind of a problem. The only mon that'll get trapped is my Great Tusk, but I'm not too worried. Um, but yeah, this allows me to two-shot Gotharita. I forgot that's what we EV'd here. And then the defense is there for me to live a hit from you're mistaken. Next up, we have Loaded Dice, Brambleghast with Terra Water. Oh, I forgot to say this is Terra Water, this is Terra Flying, just for more damage. Terra Water with Bullet Seed, Shadow, Sneak, Terra Blast, and Protect. This thing can actually become a menace if I can kill Qianpao, which Loaded Dice Bullet Seed allows me to do, especially under Tailwind. I would have to Terra so I don't die Ice, Ice Shard. Terra Water is also there to one-shot Iron Moth. And Shadow Snake's just there for damage. Again, this is probably not a bring most of the time, but I mean, I could have been Terra Rock. Probably should have been Terra Rock, but that's besides the point. Um, it's just here to try to scare him. to think that this is going to be a big problem for him. Fortress, if he brings it, I mean, it's a fortress. What is it going to do? Next, we have our Black Sludge, Quillfish, Terra Poison with Poison Jab, Icy Wind, Thunder Wave, Destiny Bond. This is most likely going to be coming because it outspeeds Dragonite, and Icy Wind is really good to proc Multiscale if he brings it and to slow his team down, to intimidate as well. Thunder Wave and Destiny Bond are just there to more like slow things down, or if I think I'm going to get KO'd that turn and KO something back, and Poison Jab's just there to make sure I don't get incredibly walled by everything. But yeah, I tried speeding this more up because I don't want my team builder to be so long, but that is the team. The simple plan is Talonflame lead all the time and lead it with Gold Dango, Great Tusk, Brantlegrass if needed, and then Quillfish if I feel like I need more defensive pressure against him. But I will see you all in the battle. All right. Now we're in the battle. I need to turn on the sounds on my end. Alright, I forgot to say who I was battling. I'm against Ted and the Skystrikers. But yeah, I forgot to say his name. Registered team. I read it to Psychic, but oh well. If he brings Stonjourner, he's just better. All right. So we got Go-Go, Zoroark, Pachirisu, Qianpao, Iron Moth, and Tauros Aqua. No Stonjourner, no Dragonite. But we see a Go-Go. So Talonflame, of course, is my lead. Who is his? I can see a Pachirisu Qianpao lead to counter my. I guess I'm just gonna lead this. Have this in the back. Honestly, wait. I kind of want to lead this and have that in the back. Okay. Yeah. I want to bring the Quillfish first. Yeah, but I see he has both special attackers, so this is gonna be a really interesting battle for me. I think my play, honestly, is to Tailwind, Icy Wind, maybe? I know it's double control, but I don't think my Tailwind's gonna stay up this match. But here's the first battle. I'm a little nervous, of course. I mean, I always a little bit nervous. Everyone loves the Professor's theme, but I love this. Okay, MVP and Fire. Okay. So I immediately see MVP's wearing Clear Amulet, so that is obviously that. Honestly, I just want to... kind of just want to... Does this... How much does this do? And if I Terra... Oh, maybe I just Brave Bird here into the fire... Terra Brave Bird. There's no Dragonite. I don't really need my Terra on my other two Pokemon. And honestly, I'm just going to Poison Jab you. see the Terra. On the Go-Go, the Terra Water. And that does Oko. It was a Zoroark! Oh. Okay. See the bulk up. That's actually amazing that I got that kill. Dinner. Goes out to Tauros. Is this Scarf? If it's Scarf, then that's fine. I'm going to Thunder Wave into the dinner slot just in case I don't kill it. He does protect, okay. I should have Thunder Waved into the Go-Go. He's gonna kill my Talonflame here. He Horn Leeched me. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna Brave Bird into dinner, and then I'm going to Destiny Bond with my Quillfish. That's another Oko for Talonflame. I need to make sure I'm writing this down. Rock game 1. Talonflame was 2-0 so far. Quillfish is 1-1. And I have Gray, Tusk, and Goldengo. And then he had Zork, Hisui, Go-Go, Tauros, Aqua, and then Iron Moth. 0-1, Go-Go is 1-1, Tauros Aqua is 0-1. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go to Ancient Fan. He has no Terra, he has nothing. It's GG. Booster Energy. Okay. Let me make some notes. Booster Energy on you. I'm just gonna Brave Bird and I'm just going to Headlong Rush. And that should be GG. Talonflame goes down and Iron Moth as well goes down. That's gonna be GG. Talonflame is so good. Alright. I'm up 1. I mean, what is he supposed to do in that situation? He has no quick guard. He revealed that he's not Sash Iron Moth or Zoroark Hisui. Alright, I'm just gonna lead Talonflame again. Yeah, I'm just gonna lead Talonflame. Okay, this time he's definitely gonna lead. He's definitely gonna have Pachirisu. I can feel Pachirisu being brought here. So I'm gonna bring you to lead. I think Brambleghast Quillfish is fine in the back. Since it's booster energy Iron Moth, does Golden Go kill it with Shy Shock? If it's not boosted, no. Okay. So I'm in under Tailwind. He's gonna be faster, so that's actually not a play I want to make. I'm just gonna bring Golden Go anyway. I think it's gonna be better than Quillfish second game. Alright. Rock game 2, I have Talon, Flame, Gray, Tusk, Bramble, Gas, and Golden Go. I called this lead perfectly. And he has Chien, Pao, and Hachi Risu. Okay, this time I'm going to Tailwind first, and then I'm going to Earthquake. So I think Earthquake kills Pachi, right? Yes, Earthquake should kill Pachi unless it's, I mean, it's probably gonna be bulky. But I don't think he's gonna stay in with Pachi, or he's going to Terra flying with Pachi. He protects with Frozone, so he's gonna go for Nuzzle on my, or Super Fang. It lives with 1. Do I see Focus Sash? It is Focus Sash. Okay, I called that. Nuzzle my Talonflame, which is fine. I should still be incredibly fast. So, or with Talonflame. Tailwind, but status is paralyzed. 179. Okay, what I'm going to do is just Flare Blitz into Flare Blitz into Frozone, and then just hit another Earthquake. He protects his Pachirisu again. Alright, Earthquake here. It does that much. He's gonna Ice Spinner into me, and let's hope I don't get parried. Please no para, please no para. Flare Blitz into the Chien Pao, which would kill it, right? Yes. Alright. I love Talonflame. Talonflame has just been pushing numbers. Fire plate is Iron Moth. Great Tusk. Iron Moth. I should outspeed this. I should always outspeed Iron Moth. So I'm just going to, how many turns of Tailwind do I have? 2. Okay. So I'm just going to Brave Bird into Iron Moth, and then Earthquake again. He's most likely going to Terra with Iron Moth, but I need this Pachirisu gone. And if he tears grass, he's going to tear grass. Pair of flying. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I knew this thing wasn't gonna die. But Pachirisu's gonna go down to Great Tusk. Which I'm fine with not taking out the Iron Moth. I don't believe I died to Sludge Wave. Or it's no longer a spread move, so I might die to Sludge Wave. I don't die to Sludge Wave. Iron Moth picks up 1. Please no para. Para. That's unfortunate. Okay, who's gonna do enough damage like right now to this Iron Moth? I'm gonna go out to Roland. That para honestly it hurts. Dinner. So that's what? Tauros Aqua? Okay. I want to take out this Tauros Aqua right now. If he Sludge Waves, does he kill me with this? Oh gosh, but Heat Wave. Oh, I'm immune to Heat Wave, but if he's like Flamethrower or Fiery Dance, I want to do this anyway. Okay. He protects with Dinner. Fuck. That's huge. Is that a crit? I didn't think Sludge Wave would do that much. What? Oh, it does. I was calculating the wrong Pokemon, I guess. Okay, well, that's probably game. What can I do here? What can I do here? It is a Flying Terra. Honestly, I think make it rain. Bullet Seed. Okay, it's just gonna have to go like that. Terra Blast into my Bramble Gas. Yeah. Yeah, so Iron Moth picks up 2 more. I didn't run this game that smoothly. A crit. Ooh. I'm just gonna make it rain again. That's gonna be GG. I should have Shadow Sneaked into... If I Shadow Sneaked in this Iron Moth, did I kill it? Yeah, I could have killed it. That's my bad. Like, actually, that's my bad. I could have had this. Drill run. Okay. Tauros Aqua gets 1. Okay, so what's the plan? Okay. Do I want Bramble Gas or do I want Golden Go lead? You know, we're gonna go with Golden Go lead. Okay. I'm gonna Nasty Plot turn 1. If he leads... Shoot. Zoroark could be a problem. Unless it's Specs. You can't one-shot my Golden Go. But I wanna just... I kinda just wanna lead this and Nasty Plot. Thinner and Champ. Okay. Okay, I just wanna Tailwind into Terra and Nasty. How much does Drill Run do to me? Okay, no, I'm just gonna Nasty. Because he's most likely gonna protect Dinner. You just follow me. Okay. He wants his Talonflame dead, which I'm fine with. Okay, he kills my Talonflame. Now I just go Bramble. I Bramble and I Bullet Seed Pachirisu. And then I Dazzling Gleam. Yeah, okay. Damn, if I had Dazzling Gleam there. Use Protect. I Terra and Dazzling Gleam, I would have killed him. Okay, so Pachirisu is dead. Yep, there's Moss. My Goldango should never get O-code. So what I'm going to do is... Am I faster on my Bramble? I am. I did outspeed this to outspeed him. Or this turns into flying. Okay, I'm just gonna Terra Blast into you, and then Dazzling Gleam with you. I Terra first. I see a Protect out. Taurus Aqua should go down to Dazzling Gleam. Yes. So then goes Taurus Aqua goes down to that. Frozone. Wait. What's the play here? I don't die to a Qianpao move, do I? That's never my play. My play is to Bullet Seed you, because you're most likely gonna Terra with Fire Plate, and then I'll make it rain, just in case he does Terra. Yeah, he's Terraing. Onto the Iron Maw. Sucker Punch doesn't kill. I need this Qianpao gone. That's a roll. Please get 5 hits. It crit on the last one. Okay. So now he has to Fire Dance into my Goldango. Okay. I win. Okay. Iron Moth kills one. My Tailwind petered out. But this is fine. I have my Sash, Great Tusk in the back. Flying Terra into my Great Tusk. Okay, close combat does just basically enough. So I'm just going to Shadow Sneak you, and then I'm going to close combat into you. He protects. Just probably just see what I'm going to do. What is it? Fire Dance, Sludge Wave, Protect. Do I die to Iron Moth +1? With Sludge Wave from Iron Moth +1? I do. So the play is to always Shadow Sneak into close combat. He Terra Blasts into my Great Tusk. Okay. Close combat doesn't kill. But Shadow Sneak should kill it. That was amazing game from Brambleghast. That was an amazing run from Brambleghast. Yay! Brambleghast is kind of growing on me with this lead. But yeah, GG my opponent Ted. Amazing battler. I definitely messed up in game 2, but game 3 I definitely picked it back up with leading Golden Go. But I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you next time.